Welcome back to Future Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the world of VBA to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using just a few lines of code. If you've ever wanted to automate your presentations and save time, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started and see how VBA can make your PowerPoint presentations a breeze. What is VBA? VBA is a programming language developed by Microsoft. It is primarily used to automate tasks and create custom functions within Microsoft Office applications such as Excel, Word, and Access. With VBA, you can write scripts to control the behavior of these applications, manipulate data, and perform complex calculations. It helps enhance productivity by streamlining repetitive tasks and providing powerful tools for data management and analysis. Let's make our VBA presentation now. Open the web browser. Log in to ChatGPT now. Then type this and enter Write VBA PowerPoint codes for artificial intelligence. Use 6 slides. I told you to use 6 solids here, but use as much as you want here. Now you can see the VBA code is generated in our presentation. Now copy the VBA code. Now open PowerPoint. Navigate to File tab, select Options, and then click on Customize ribbon. On the right, under Main tabs, scroll down until you see Developer option. Check the option and click OK to add it to your tabs. Click on the Developer tab you just added, then select Visual Basic. Open Insert User Form drop-down and click on Module. Right-click within the module window and paste the code you copied. Then click the play button to run the code. The VBA codes has created 6 slides, each slide having its heading, subheading, and body text. But this presentation is not ready yet. Let's beautify it with the help of Designer. Select the first slide and click on Designer. It's like having an assistant that generates beautiful slide designs based on your content. I'll go for this result, and you'll be amazed at the transformation. Now we can move through the rest of the slides, and Designer will continue to generate design suggestions for us. After going through all 6 slides, you'll have a polished presentation ready to impress your audience. See you in next video.